Let's make Italian cookies. For this recipe, I used 140 grams of unsalted butter, half a cup of sugar. Cream them together until fluffy. Next, add room temperature eggs. I used 3 large eggs. Beat well again until combined. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and then 2 tablespoons of milk. At this point, if you are using unsalted butter, you can add salt at this point. Then in another bowl, go on to add 3 cups of flour, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift and mix them together. Now add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Do not add everything at a time, add them bit by bit, and then you whisk gently. Make sure you whisk on low speed. Then you can finish up using your spatula so you don't overmix. Next, mold this into any shape of your choice. Then you transfer into your preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, guys, our cookies is out of the oven and ready. Now you transfer onto your cooling rack and allow it to cool completely. Next, for our glazing, add half cup of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix very well. Then you glaze your cookies using your brush. Go on to add your sprinkles. And guys, our Italian cookie is ready. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. This is so nice. It melts right in the mouth. It's really yummy, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again in my next video. Bye, guys.
She's got the skillet, she's got the spoon, dancing through the kitchen like a tune. With every chop and every fry,